Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix matchmaking error 1 on Fortnite. This will be a quick fix guide. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. Now first first thing you need to do is go ahead on Fortnite settings. So go to the settings and then go ahead on the game option. And on language and region you will see matchmaking region. You want to go ahead and choose the one which has the lowest ping. So for me, it's all automatic basically, but you're going to choose the one which has the lowest ping. After that, if you are on console, you want to go to gameplay privacy. So just go ahead and on your profile here at the top, then choose gameplay privacy, and you will see here cross-platform play option. So if you will see cross-play platform option, you want to make sure that it is turned on. And once it will be turned on, that should fix your problem. You will also want to check on your console if there's any updates, if your internet connection is good, and if there's no corrupted files. So that's on the console. After that, if that still didn't fix the problem, you want to go to your network and internet settings. On network and internet, you want to click advanced network settings at the bottom. Then you're going to choose your internet connection. For me, it's Wi-Fi, or for you, it might be Ethernet. You're going to click this arrow and you will see more adapter options. Click edit. After that, this will open up and you want to find Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on it. And then instead of obtain DNS server address automatically, you want to use the following DNS server addresses, and you want to write down on preferred 8888 and on alternate DNS server 8844. It's Google's DNS servers, and it will basically have a better internet connection. So after you've done that, you can also restart your PC if you want to. It's not really necessary, but you want to go ahead and check if the problem persists or not. Just launch the Fortnite. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.